In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily log out of YouTube account on mobile on both Android and iOS devices. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes. Let's get started, guys, and first off, open up YouTube app. Then down below here, tap where it says You. And that's where we can easily find switch account. So first off, we need to tap add switch account. I have several accounts here, and some of them has several channels on them. But all we have to do is just scroll down to the very bottom where we can easily find manage accounts on this device. We need to tap right on here. It will show us the list of all our YouTube accounts. Here I got 3 accounts, and all I have to do in order to log out from any of them is just tap at remove from this device under the account I want to log out, just like that. It says that this account and any unsaved data will be removed from YouTube and other Google apps on this device. It means that it will log you out from any applications such as Gmail, Google Drive, and other Google applications that uses this account. To continue, just tap at remove, and it will delete the account from that list, and then later on, if you change your mind, you'll have to log into that account again to use it in YouTube app or any other application on that device. If this video helped you out, don't forget to hit the like button.